Hello students, we will be studying Hadoop ecosystem. In this topic, we'll understand what are the different components of Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop ecosystem, it's a platform or a suite which provides a various services to solve these big data problems. This is the Hadoop ecosystem. In that, first of all, we understand what is meant by Hdfs. Hdfs stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. It helps to store and access a huge file based on the client-server architecture. It enables the distribution and storage of data across the Hadoop clusters. HBase, which is a columnar database storage, which consists of the NoSQL type of databases, a columnar database built on top of the Hdfs. HBase provides a fast record lookups in large tables. It has a capability like Google's Big Table. MapReduce, which is a part of data processing, which helps for the cluster management. It's a parallel data processing framework over the clusters. Data seekers save a lot of time. For example, if it takes a normal relational database around 20 hours to process large data set, it might take MapReduce only 3 minutes to get everything done. YARN, cluster and resource management. YAN stands for yet another resource negotiator. It is a resource manager. It provides, manage and monitor workloads, make sure it can serve multiple clients and perform security controls. Data access layer, where the first component or ecosystem component is Hadoop, which is the SQL structure query language. It performs reading and writing of large data sets, real-time processing and batch processing is also supported by Hadoop. Its SQL types are supported by Hadoop, thus making the query processing much easier. It supports the JDBC driver and the Hadoop command line support also. Pig is a data flow. So it serves the analysis of large data sets. Pig is made of two components. Firstly, the platform of execute the Pig programs. Secondly, powerful and simply scripting language called the Pig Latin, which is used to write those programs. Mahot, it is a library of machine learning algorithms written in Java that supports collaborative filtering, clustering, and classification, and many other algorithms also. Avro, it supports the serialization system. It uses a JSON for defining data types and protocols to support data-driven application. It provides simple integration with many different languages like Python, C++ rather than only Java. Scoop stands for SQL plus Hadoop. Is a command line interface application which helps transfer data between Hadoop and relational database, that is the MySQL and Oracle or mainframes. Next layer is a data management layer, where the first component is the UZE, a workflow scheduler for Hadoop, job scheduling, managing the coordination jobs among the Hadoop and the other applications such as MapReduce, Peak, Scoop, Hadoop, etc. It defines a sequence of actions to be executed to place triggers for those actions. Chukwa, it's a monitoring component. It is a framework built on top of Hdfs and MapReduce. It provides a dynamic and powerful data collection system used for monitoring, analyzing, and presenting the result. Flum, it is a scalable, reliable system for collecting and moving the cluster logs from various sources to centralized store like a Chukwa. In a Flume, chunks of data are transferred from node to node in store and forward manager, while in Chukwa, the agent of each machine will need to determine what data to be sent. Zookeeper, as its name suggests, like it is a management, is done by it. The distribution coordination service for distributed system. Simply interface helps to reduce the management complexity. Service such as the configuration, distributor synchronization, naming, group services, etc. are supported by the Zookeeper. Thank you.